Today guys, we have this recipe, stir fried chicken, chili and herbs. So, done cutting these ingredients, onions, fresh chili, and we got 2 Thai chicken. Wash them and drain a bit. When I do cooking this recipe, it's just simple guys. I want to remove the skin so that it will not so much calories from it, the chicken. Then cut into bite pieces and it will so easy to cook. Let's start the process cooking. Take a pot, pour some oil. Let it heat first. Wow! Can you see the smoke, the oil guys? So can put it now the fresh chili and stir for a few seconds. Spicy smell comes out. And add the onions, slice, stir it and cover. And here now the chicken bite pieces, and we are going to add or put inside a pot. Wow, the smell is good. After mix it, and now it's time to seasoning. We had powder, black pepper, Japanese chili powder, salt. This is now looks like the recipe guys. Spicy chicken, yummy. Please comment down below guys who like so much or eating spicy food and or fun for spicy food. And do you like this? It's so tender, spicy, but it's great. And this give thumbs up. Thank you guys. And this recipe is so good. Eat or partner with rice, and can eat pulutan when you with friends just chilling with wine can goes well also. Pulutan means is just like snack. Hope you like my video recipe today guys. Please comment down below. Please subscribe. Please click like button. And thank you so much guys for your support. Always be warm, happy, and be kind to everyone. This is Angie. Next time, see you. Bye.